Are you one of the users who want to migrate your Google Drive to another account? Then this detailed video is for you, in which I'm going to explain how you can easily transfer your data from Google Drive to OneDrive, other Google Drive, and local drive. Aryson Google Drive Migration Tool is an outstanding utility to migrate data from Google Drive to another Google account, OneDrive, and local drive. The software provides a very user-friendly interface that is easy to understand and use. Let's move ahead and learn about the benefits of this tool. The tool is very efficient and can migrate multiple files of drive at once. You can remove duplicate items while transferring the Google Drive data. Provide a feature to preview the selected file before moving it. Display the details of the selected file, such as file type, size, created date, trashed, restricted, and shared. If you want to transfer the data of Google Drive between a specific date, then you can use the date range filter option facilitated by the software. Free up server space feature to delete the drive data once the migration process is completed. You can download the report of the migration process after the successful conversion of Google Drive into your desired account. This is compatible with all versions of Windows, such as Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, XP, etc. Before starting the process, let's see some necessary prerequisites of the software. If you are using Windows version 11, 10, 8.1, 8, or 7, then run the tool as an administrator. For proper working of the software, you need to establish a proper internet connection. If you are migrating from one Google Drive to another Google Drive or OneDrive, then for authentication you need to log in with your account's ID and password. Working process of Google Drive Migration Tool. Download and install the Google Drive Migration Tool. Run the software as an administrator after finishing the setup. In the next wizard, you can see log path and temp path. Here provide the destination path for both of the paths as required. After that, hit the next button and click OK to allow access, then choose the source of the Gmail account to log in, on the redirected window. Now, provide the access to the Gmail backup by clicking on both of the checkboxes and press the Continue button. The authentication process is now successful. Now go back to the software interface to proceed ahead. In this wizard, you can see all of Google Drive data and files in the form of a tree structure. Choose the files as per your requirement by clicking on the checkboxes, then hit the Next button. In the Apply Filter interface, go to the Select Extension of Files section and click Add Extension button, then enter the extensions such as PDF, EML, PST, etc. for selective files migration. Select the Date option to transfer the data of a specific date range. The tool provides you with two date selection mode options: Create and Modified Date. Choose them according to your need. Tick the Allow Duplicate Files if you want to migrate the identical items. Also, if don't, then leave it as it is. Select the Free Up Server Space option to delete all the files from the server after the completion of the migration process. Now, click the Next button to proceed ahead. Steps to migrate Google Drive to OneDrive. Select OneDrive as your output file's destination and click Next to start the authentication process. Here you will be redirected to the browser to select the OneDrive account that you need to log into. After you log into your desired OneDrive account, a pop-up message will show as authentication successful. Now go back to the software interface to move ahead. Here, the software will confirm whether you want to continue with your previously chosen account or you want to change it. So let's continue with this account by clicking Yes. The software will scan your OneDrive account and display all presented folders to move data within them. Choose the folder in which you want to migrate your data and click Next. Assign a name for your resultant folder, or by default it will show Aryson Google Drive Migration, then click OK. Now, you can see the uploading process has started. After completion of the process, download the report and close the software. Your chosen data of Google Drive is now successfully migrated to your OneDrive account. Steps to migrate data from one Google Drive to another Google Drive. Choose Google Drive as your migrating destination from the drop-down list and hit the Next button. Select the desired account from the already saved accounts or go for another account and complete the authentication process as shown above, then click Next. Choose the destination folder from your other Google Drive folders. Provide a name for your output folder and press OK. Now, the process of migrating data from one Google Drive to another Google Drive is started. After the process is completed, download the final report and close the software. Finally, your data from Google Drive is transferred to another Google Drive account. Steps to backup Google Drive data to a local drive. Select the Backup to a Local Drive option from the drop-down menu and then click Next. Choose the destination path for your resultant folder and click Open. Assign a name for your output folder and hit the OK button to initiate the migrating process. Wait for the process to complete, then download the report by clicking on the Download Report button. Now the process of downloading your Google Drive data to local drive is completed. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn.